The quality of the faculty here at OCC is impeccable. You know, they've done their vetting and it shows. A lot of times when you're taught in theory, it's based on a textbook, and kind of teachers have read that textbooks and then they're creating PowerPoints and tests based off of it. But a lot of the faculty here have been nurses for extensive periods of time. They have a lot of clinical experience. Some of them have even worked in other sectors of nursing other than just bedside manner. You know, that shows. They have real life experiences and they understand that sometimes the textbook isn't the best way to explain certain things, and having those different outlooks and the way that different people present information is very beneficial. So, you know, from clinical instructors to lab instructors to theory lectures to everything, they're experienced and, you know, they know the material and they know how to present it to you in a manner that you're going to understand, and ultimately in a manner that you're going to remember, because, you know, nursing's not a field that you can kind of just like, you learn it to pass a test. No, you learn it to save lives.